course, my favorite memory would be winning a championship, but today is different. I think today tops the list because, you know, it just really goes to show how the sport has, you know, gone a long way, and a lot of people now really appreciating it. So, you know, a lot of the volleyball fans, hindi yan minsan taga-school na sinusupport nila, but they just really love the sport. And what really makes me feel happy, I guess, is that I've talked to a lot of people who went all the way to Manila from different provinces just to watch the game live.
And these girls really work hard to hone their talents. The schools work so hard to build up a respectable volleyball program. And that is evidenced by the type of season we've been having. Just looking at the standings a while ago, teams fighting for a chance to get into the Final Four. The quality does not disappoint.
Why a lot of people have, you know, have also become fans. Even if before talaga it was just really basketball, mainly that sport. But you know, with the high level of game that we're seeing from all these teams, despite them just being at the collegiate level, you know, it makes it a lot more, I guess, entertaining and very interesting as well.
And what a great job by this year's hosts, National University, staging the UAAP Games here at the state-of-the-art arena, Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City. Jessie De Leon getting it through that double block, and Pablo can't believe it.
O ba't hindi nyo mabantayan niya? Simple lang yung tinutulak lang na ganyan.
Ganong bola?
Hindi ba dapat pinababantayan sa inyo yung hilit ng block? Bakit hindi nyo magawa-gawa yun? Ano kaya ang paraan? Huwag kayo magtago sa likod ng blocker. Sa gilid kayo para kita nyo kung ano yung aksyon nung spiker. Hindi nyo nakikita pag dalawang ganyan, no? Receive tayo. Isang puntos lang. Let's go. Kaso na.
Well, on the replay, you saw the faces of Myla Pablo really not liking how that ball went through, and you heard the frustration on the voice of Coach Francis. It was just a push by Jessie De Leon, a weak one. Not a lot of power, but somehow it got through.
Let's see how they can try to bounce back. Pablo does the same, drops the ball. Have to play smart volleyball if you're going up against, you know, teams like UST.
18-16. And you once again fighting to force another set. Ivy Perez. Lantin chooses Caballejo, and the captain delivers. Getting it through the arms of the much improved Kaine Pomoceno in terms of that blocking department. And again, Coach Oji Mamon, just like the first three sets, brings in Ingrid Reyes to serve for the Tigresses. Back set, Pablo. Tunay could not handle it.
Going well for NU, they need more points to tie it with UST.
And Coach Oji was not happy with the positioning of these girls, but Coach Francis, I'm sure, unhappy with that service error.
Seen a lot of those. Seen a lot of those in today's game. Yun nga, you know, if you tally all these errors, you would see kung gaano kasayang yung mga, especially those at the done at the service line. Rather committed at the service line.
So far, NU is close to their average of 33.4 unforced errors. They already have 31. And that's not a good statistic. But this is good for UST. Judy Caballejo going down the line, avoiding the blockers of NU.
And if you'll notice, that was actually the instruction of Coach Oji Mamon. He wanted Ortiz and Caballejo to hit the ball down the line. Again, not an easy
Yes.
job, not easy to execute, but these experienced players can really do it.
UST fans are now feeling it. A rare 5-point lead in this game. And look at the look of concern on the face of the players of NU, particularly the face of the captain, Dindin Santiago.
Now, if UST wins this fourth set and NU would be unable to extend it to a 5-set match, tama ka, it's like a mirror of what happened when we first met in December 5, but in reverse. Everything working well for UST. Dindin not liking it.
NU is just spiraling out of control here. And the Tigers are feeling it. They are so close right now to win number 7. And a temporary hold at the 4th spot. In the team standings, Nepomuceno, a miss hit. And now UST has arrived at match point.
Now at this point, I would think Santiago now really leading the team, telling them where to position themselves. And most definitely, hihingin ito yung bola. Let's see. But they can't.
What a way to finish it! A gift for Judy Caballero! And the inaugural win in the first ever volleyball game at the Mall of Asia Arena goes to the University of Santo Tomas. What a moment for Judy Caballero, playing one of her best games this season, and what a time for it to come.
Of course, not to take away anything from the Lady Bulldogs, but UST just really did an excellent job. Caballero holding the team together, and really getting this convincing win against NU today.
That fourth set was definitely convincing. 25-17 in favor of UST, and they notch win number 7 to gain a temporary hold on the 4th spot in the team standings. And now, our Shakey's best player of the game, brought to you by Shakey's Fun Family Pizza, is at courtside with Tina Marasigan.
Alright, Judy, kayo ang nanalo ngayon against NU. Ano ba yung pinabaon sa inyo ni Coach Ochi para gano'n na lang paigtingin yung intensity na nararamdaman nyo kanina habang naglalaro? Kasi napakataas ng fire ninyo habang kalaban nyo ang NU.
Lagi naman po sinasabi sa amin na maglaro lang kami ng ayos. Pakita lang namin lahat ng ginagawa namin sa training. Tsaka yung fighting spirit namin, huwag mawawala dun sa loob ng court. Yung willing namin na manalo talaga.
Alright, so meron pa kayo natitira na 2 games, and that's against FU this coming Wednesday and Ateneo. Ano naman ang paghahandaan ninyo laban sa 2 koponan na nabanggit ko?
Yun lang, yung pagiging agresibo sa lahat ng bagay, lalo na sa training. Kasi di ba, pagdating sa game, yun yung magiging baon mo dito sa... Yung lahat ng ginagawa mo sa training, magagawa mo sa game ngayon.
Alright, so ano namang masasabi mo sa mga UST fans at sa lahat ng sumuporta sa inyo dito sa MOA Arena at maging sa mga telebisyon nila?
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng fans na sumuporta sa amin. Ayun, maraming salamat, bati na.
Sige, bati ka na.
Hello po sa family ko, mama, papa. Belated happy birthday sa kapatid ko, kay Dayan and kay Kuya Anthony. Hi daw kay Ate Karil, sabi ni Kuya Dolo. Kila Ate Ging, thank you ate. Yan, kila Ate Vida.
Maraming salamat, Judy, at congratulations sa inyo. Back to you, Anton and Ann.
Thank you, Tina. And that was our best player of the game, brought to you by Shakey's Fun Family Pizza. Judy Caballero. Vice Ganda is in the house, and you can just hear the reaction from the throng of fans inside the Mall of Asia Arena. As up next, we have the Lady Spikers of LaSalle taking on the Lady Eagles of Ateneo.
Well, again, today is such a momentous day for volleyball. I'm looking forward to the next games, but a job well done to UST for winning this game against NU.
Happy birthday, by the way, to Boss Kenty of ABS-CBN Sports, Mr. Romel Chozas, Ms. Jen Palanca, and of course, Direct Elmon Salvahan, all from ABS-CBN Sports. Happy birthday to everybody. UST defeats NU to notch win number 7, 3-1. in the first game ever played at the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City. On behalf of our director, Abet Ramos, Bea Fabregas, Tina Marasigan, my partner, Andrew Mulya, I'm Anton Ross saying thank you so much for tuning in to our continuing live and exclusive ABS-CBN sports coverage of UAAP Season 75. But don't go away, because coming up next, it is round 2 of Ateneo and LaSalle.